above you. As long as there's a sky, and if you have someone to love you, you're sure of getting by. You don't need a lot of log and stone. Build a home on happiness alone, with 1,000 little stars. We can decorate the ceiling with an optimistic feeling. We can build a little home, every single little dream is a shingle or a rafter. We can paint the house with laughter when we build a little home. It's not a palace nor a poor house, but the rent is absolutely free. This is my house, but it's your house if you'll come and live with me, with a carpet on the floor made of buttercups and clover. All our troubles will be over when we build a little home. We'll dine for hours mid the flowers, eating apples from an apple tree. We'll take showers in the showers that the clouds bring from the sea. When we want to go to sleep, while the weary world reposes, we can make a bed of roses when we build a little
Mara Mori brought me a pair of socks, which she knitted herself with her sheep herder's hands, 2 socks as soft as rabbits. I slipped my feet into them as if they were 2 cases, knitted with threads of twilight and goatskin. Violent socks. My feet were 2 fish made of wool, 2 long sharks, sea blue, shot through by 1 golden thread. 2 immense blackbirds, 2 cannons. My feet were honored in this way by these heavenly socks. They were so handsome. For the first time, my feet seemed to me unacceptable, like 2 decrepit firemen unworthy of that woven fire of those glowing socks. Nevertheless, I resisted the sharp temptation to save them somewhere, as schoolboys keep fireflies, as learned men collect sacred texts. I resisted the mad impulse to put them in a golden cage and each day give them birdseed and pieces of pink melon, like explorers in the jungle who hand over a very rare green deer to the spit and eat it with remorse. I stretched out my feet and pulled on the magnificent socks and then my shoes. The moral of my ode is this: beauty is twice beauty, and what is good is doubly good when it is a matter of 2 socks made of wool in winter. Ode to My Socks by Pablo Neruda.